Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project, backup build, Gradle and Gradle, properties, and ensure Android Studio is updated. Once done, open Tools, then SDK Manager. You need to inspect installed SDK platforms and SDK tools. Select the target Android API level you want, then install that platform plus the Android SDK command line tools and any required system images. Make sure downloads finish and accept licenses automatically. This ensures the new SDK is available for the next project changes. You now change project settings so the code uses the new SDK. First, update the Android Gradle plugin class path in the project build. Gradle to a version compatible with the new SDK. Next, in module build, Gradle, set compile SDK version and target SDK version to the new API level and adjust support or Android X dependency versions accordingly. Then update the Gradle wrapper properties to a supported Gradle version and click Sync Project. If conflicts appear, you finish by building and validating the app. Run a clean, then rebuild project, and deploy to the emulator and a physical device to check runtime behavior. Run lint and unit or instrumentation tests and verify permission changes or behavioral differences for the new API level. Commit changes once stable. If something breaks, try clean and rebuild, then invalidate caches and restart. Verify the SDK path and preferences. Check the Gradle console for stack traces, and revert to your backup to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.